Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
One, two, three, go! 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! Yo, ain't want this cat, don't it?
Straight BTA.
1, 2, 3, go! What the? Oh! Alright, y'all, so man, we finna race on the scat and that little green HEMI right here.
Get greasy! Try to wreck this bitch, not like this shit. Lock in. Oh my life. And they got a burn or something? They got underground. Huh? They got underground. Fuck! Shit, fuck! The skin. How you turn off, Shy? Shy, turn off.
Behind Jalen. Yeah, behind Jalen.
Yeah, that's 12. Fuck! That shit lame, bro. These gophers on the back. Them things are lame.
Nah.
And that bitch still behind you now? Yeah, they put 4 in. So we start driving.
I forgot I was in manual, bro.
Yeah, boy.
12 got me nervous, bro. I forgot I was in manual.
God damn, them boys, deal. Where the fuck they take off? Had to split up.
Ain't no point. We ain't doing shit. It's just,
Saying like split up and just meet at back talk. Everybody just split up.
nah, you gonna follow somebody, bro. We just gonna go to Walmart. I just told him go to Walmart on 19, and then we go there. Just let him go on by his day.
Scrap up their drums on their head. How you see, but I'm about like a demon. I can this shit irritate the hell out.
Send you the tune. Who the fuck Jalen go?
Damn. He right there. Ain't no shot they cop keep following him around though.
What the fuck? That a cop right there? That's a cop. Yes.
Oh, never mind.
Undercover. What the fuck?
They ain't hawking this shit.
Damn, Aunt. Nah, that's a 12 posted up. I know Jalen about to shit it damn self. He said what? Hey, he fight right there, Jalen. What the fuck? Look. What the fuck, bro? That shit lame as fuck, bro.
His ass spawned in out of nowhere, man.
His ass dead ass follow you over here.
Take his ass on the tape.
You too. Oh, yeah, there's that go right there.
That's who following?
Yeah, that one that following. Then you see the other one over there post.
Man.
That shit dead.
Got that ass on my phone? I tried to get out though.
They threw me in the back, gang. I don't care. Content.
Fucking dork. Oh, he finna definitely ready to pull the fuck out.
That be on the cover too, though.
That's on the cover.
That be on the
That's
cover.
a new car. That's a new one. That be all white. You don't see no decal on it.
I ain't got no decal. He might not be with MPD though, to be honest with you. God damn, we deep here. Say what? What'd he say?
I thought it was car behind. I took my head right to him. Well, they took my head to see how we do.
This shit like goddamn 1300.
Damn!
He gotta get his PCM removed and the tune, all that itself. Mine's gonna be like 800 though, cause I ain't gotta get no PCM removed. PCM like an extra 400.
Oh, so yeah, you do.
The 2015s and up, they got the Mopar, they got their PCM locked to stop it from being tuned. So they gotta get unlocked.
I'm dropping that bag, goddamn it. Fuck.
Dude, the fuck this here behind that, bro? What this here behind it? What this is? What this here behind it? What kind of Durango?
Bro, that's that be Patty. That's that Durango we just had.
Oh. Wait.
It's a regular Durango, ain't no problem.
Oh, alright.
Alright? It's a regular today.
Wait. Whoa, that be on the cover.
That's a Tennessee tag. That's a Tennessee tag.
Brian could have sworn I just seen some lights on that bitch, bro.
Dude, they would have stayed behind you if they would have tag. They would have took your model. They would have got mad. Delay, bro. Goddamn, we can tweak it.
Wait, your head not getting old?
Oh, yo. You didn't know the track? No. Fuck wrong with buddy?
God.
That bump right there? Yeah, they bump right there.
You gonna call Aunt now?
No, he ain't that true. Yeah, that big dude.
God damn.
Oh my god. I ain't gonna lie, that's going bro. My life, bro. So I do underground, you do strictly Mopar, and do other cars.
I do what it call.
What you been doing? He like drop a gear.
Yeah. Stay in like a lower gear. Oh, I just scratched. Damn. They just got that bitch so sideways.
If I got that bread, I'm fucking.
You know you get 12.
Sometimes you be a camper every day.
You know what I'm saying? I drive to Philly, Kemper, fucking noon, never could. Just for the road. Going to tomorrow. I like the
They smooth though. I ain't gonna lie, if I go mud though, like I was in a black bottle. Silver, purple, oh my god. Yeah, like I think purple, green. Watch out for these little bumps back here on this round. Hey, get that bitch straight. Get that bitch straight.
Hey, I got you straight, bro.
Watch out for this little bump right here. Ooh, yep. Little pothole, come on, little pothole, come on.
What's it, shot? What's it, shot? Right there. Oh, shit. What the? Oh!
Slow it down. One more. Hey, bullshit, some more.
dude.
One more.
Oh, god damn, you ain't telling about that one now, shot. Alright, man, so got the green Challenger finna rate. Finna rate in, man. Hey, boy, y'all able to lock in, huh? Oh, shit, man. Ain't no way, alright, oh, shit. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Coming like that? Damn. Got his ass. Damn. First time he jumped on my mama. Bro riding with him said it too on Jeezy card. He jumped. On Jeezy, what? I said 1, 2, 3, go. He left on 3. On bro. But then we got it right. That shit happened. Well, who that fool? God damn. I don't even know cool nigga. Cold outside. Yo, ain't want this scat, don't it? Y'all running man for me, bro. I told you, bro. I can't get the 1, 2, 3 go down pack, bro. Bro, you should have did a burnout too, cause he did one though. I don't know how to do that shit. All right, let's do it right now. I ain't gonna lie, Jalen. He said he wants you though. I ain't gonna lie, he did say he wants you though, fool. Hey, hold on. Well, shit, I just had real. You damn. Huh? Count it down. Yeah, I got you. Here we go. All right, man, on the go. Y'all going on the go? Yeah. All right, bet. 1, 2, 3, go. Bruh. Shit. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Shit too easy, hey, he might as well not even running back. Oh God, he might as well not even running back. It was in sport mode? It wasn't even in sport mode, fam. I didn't even do that. Put that in sport mode this time. 3, 2, 1, go! Damn, you spinning. I think I caught his ass though. Yeah, you did. You were hogging his ass. You was spinning though. You was spinning like a motherfucker on God. I spin like a bitch. 1, 2, 3, go! That's 3 up, man. That's sweet. That's it right there. That's sweet. Big doors, man. Y'all know we do. Y'all see, man. That's a little door right there. Straight BTA. Straight BTA. Not gonna lie to you. I'm finna roll him. Oh. Good. I want him to do it. Oh, shit. Heavy run. And then fast as fuck. Be sound like some good shit. Just race. What the fuck? Just race. Oh. Are you ready? Ready. Good count now. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh shit, hold on. Hold on now. Hold on now. Hey, we gonna run these back. 1, 2, 3, go! Damn. My foot slipped, hold on.
1, 2, 3, go!
Damn, bro.
You rich, man. You got damn risky mentality.
Man, I was spinning, man. I ain't gonna scratch right there.
Look at that shit. His ass got paid on my mama.
Tell me his ass got paid.
His ass got paid. Hey, show them paid. Come on, bro. Show them. Man. What a scared. Hey, you want me? Hey, show them paid. Hell yeah, you won.
Hold on, bro. Let me feel that damn OBD2 port, bro. Damn, bro, where your OBD2 port at?
I don't think I got them.
Go to SRT, cuz. Check that bitch. Turn it back. Let me feel that OBD2 port, bro. Where that bitch at, bro?
Oh, my shit decayed like that.
Damn, Trey, you oxygen.
Damn, twin, come on. Bro, turn the car on, bro. I'm on mama, these niggas. If I turn it on, dude gonna work rerun me?
Yeah.
You gonna do a roll? We gonna do a roll? Hey, we gonna do a roll?
Turn on the car right quick, though.
We gonna do a roll? Boy, you got Hellcat.
I ain't got a hell no. Hell no. I told y'all niggas I wouldn't stop. Hell no, bro. Hell no, bro. Hell no. That man ain't no damn stop, bro. His ass not stop, man.
That's all what a scared ass. Oh, come on. I ain't spinning no more. Bro, we going on the roll? I can team roll.
Damn, bro. It got me out here thinking my shit slow, bro.
I got that Hellcat. So shit. What the fuck?
Man. Okay.
How much you paying for that bitch?
I think that tastes about 300.
He might be since he got that too. Oh shit. One way to find out.
Yeah, it is. I thought that shit just find out me when I
This shit do something to your
But like when you get the phase, this shit make your coffee. Man, I ain't take no damn L, man. Shit ain't stop, man. That bitch got a taser and some more shit on it, man.
God, I don't know what the fuck.
That bitch turned on. That bitch showed a Hellcat. Yeah, hold your horses till my shit now gone now. Let my shit move away first. Wait till the lights turn off. Hell no, wait till the lights turn off on that bitch. Alright. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! That's a goddamn walk.
Hey, bro.
This shit might sound stupid, fool, but I wasn't even pushing the pedal to the floor. Fool. I swear to God, fool. My dad.
Alright. Oh, wait, hold on. Is it straight?
Yeah, straight.
Alright, bet.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! Get traction! We got traction! We got traction! Hey, it sound like his ass so much closer.
Yeah. You ain't driving manual.
Drive, bet. Just stand there.
More than manual. Like, more than you take off, put it back in drive. On some shit. Alright.
Oh, that makes sense right there. I see what you're talking about.
Let's do it from a dig right here. Let's do a dig right here and then a roll back. Alright. Bet.
Yeah. Hey, on my go. 3, 2, 1, go! Shit. Yeah. He was spinning though. We definitely ain't got too long for. We gotta clear this spot out.
Oh man, bro.
I saw your ass was spinning.
Oh God.
I thought your ass would fuck around collided to this.
This spot no for a roll? No. Run that thing up to there. Like, just let it look. Run that second pole. Second pole? Yeah. Alright. Right there. You see it down there? Like right there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, down there right there. Bet. Alright.
I can't see that. Yeah, I think he did. Y'all, you was right there on his ass though.
Shit.
His ass scratched like a motherfucker, didn't
Oh God, see some smart.
he? His ass, he got a check on that bitch. That shit was close like. Yeah, that last right there was a tie. Y'all really gotta run that bit again.
I beat him on the big. And then shit, the road, we were neck and neck.
Jack, you was driving that bit though. Yeah, you was driving. Hey, you was driving that bit though. I can't lie, fool. You was driving that bit though. Hold on, why you got an Hellcat screen right there? Man. Hey, whoa. This not this. Shit.
Working out part.
What we gonna do, Drew? Bro, we just got off in the lab, bro. That's all we can do, bro. Had me thinking my shit slow as hell. I'm God. My mama, I thought my shit was slow. What? Where them other two go? They finna work. Oh. Y'all move. Yeah. I need. That nigga killed here. I ain't think he had this shit. Damn. Yo, I got out the way, didn't it? I hope that's when they get down though, shit. I gotta do homework. I was just finna say, but that shit do this little 59, you bullshit. I'ma lock in with them last 59 minutes. This bitch. Oh shit, man, why y'all flash out? Outside you. I go out the girl. We all starting at that pole up there?
Yeah, second pole.
Alright, bet I got you. Damn, you better hear his ass better though.
Yeah.
Hey, Jalen in there? Oh shit. Hey, I'm gonna be the go man at the second pole. Yeah. Alright.
You gonna say after we pad that bitch?
Right when you get to it. I'm trying to say go right at it.
So we racing on go?
Yeah, on go.
Racing on go.
So 1, 2, 3 go or just go?
1, 2, 3 go. 1, 2, 3, go!
I jumped that time.
My fault. Damn, boy, your ass slung me back. Hey, I jump. That's on me. They said can't keep that bitch straight. It's so hard to stay straight in reverse. Is that coming back?
You right, that was on me. I did jump.
Alright, y'all going at that second right there?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
You ready?
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, yeah.
Not bad. On my life. Oh, my car be feeling weird, bro. On my life, my car be feeling weird. He got me though. I get it. He got me.
Somebody where'd you dig that hoe, fool?
Alright, I dig. Let me get a hit though.
I thought we were digging.
Third hump.
Dig?
Third hump.
Third hump.
I can't dig.
I'm spinning like a beast, fool.
Alright, sure. Watch this. You see the smoke?
Yeah.
I can't do no dig. Some timing, bro.
I seen him, man.
Like, I need a tune, bro.
Both y'all damn son.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa, the trash. like a disappointed period.
Turn that bit on trail, ass. Turn that bit on trail. So you gotta turn on.
They be like a news reporter. They like a disappointed period.
They go 12. They go 12. Look, right there. Look, put them right there. Behind them bushes. Right there. Look. Right there. Man, look at this YouTube. Golly, bro. My light done flew off, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all this. I just installed that as well. As y'all can see on the floor light. That'll be the end of today's vlog. See, W night. And yeah, see y'all in the next vlog.